Just a nice refreshing day by the water. Enjoying the sound of the water. Very beautiful and serene. Don't mind me if I look off because I'm captivated by the red cardinal that keeps flying by, and I've already seen multiple ones. I just love looking at the birds. They're beautiful. They're special. They're messengers, gifts from God. Pay attention to the animals. They communicate in their own way, just like we do. It's just something special about them. And it's just something special about being in nature and just relaxing. And as the water is, going with the flow. We gotta learn to go with the